In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paywall in Circle.so. If you want to control access to certain content within your circle, so community, and generate revenue, setting up a paywall is a great solution. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you get it right. First, log into your Circle.so admin account. This is your starting point for making any changes or updates within the platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Spaces. Here, you'll see a list of all the spaces within your community. Choose the specific space you want to apply a paywall to by clicking on it. This is the space whose content you want to restrict access to, so make sure you have it selected correctly. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. Click on Settings, and then head over to the Access section. This is where you'll manage who can see what within your community. Now, you'll encounter a toggle labeled Require Paid Plan Paywall. Switch this toggle to the On position, activating the paywall for your chosen space. This step is crucial as it starts limiting access based on payment. Having activated your paywall, the next step is selecting the specific plans that members must purchase to gain access. Click on the option to select the plans, choose the ones that fit your community's needs, and be sure to click Save Changes. Saving these changes ensures that your settings are applied and active. If you haven't created a paid plan yet, no worries. You can do so right away. Within the settings, go to Payments, then click on Plans. From there, create a new plan by entering a plan name, setting a price, and defining the access level. Once you've entered all the details, don't forget to save your newly created plan. This new plan will be what members need to purchase to access your paywalled space. Once you've set up your paid plan, it's important to share it. Click on Payments again, go back to Plans, and locate the Copy Link option. This link is what you'll send to your community members. You can distribute it directly via email, post it on your website, or share it within your community posts. This link is their gateway to purchasing access to your exclusive content. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your paywall. Log out of your admin account and try accessing the paywalled space. Confirm that you are prompted for payment, ensuring that everything is working smoothly and as intended. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you effectively create a paywall in Circle.so, offering you a way to monetize your content and manage access within your community seamlessly.